For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an office space rental business can be a lucrative venture, especially as more companies seek flexible workspaces. Leveraging free AI tools can significantly simplify and accelerate your journey, helping you plan, market, and operate your business efficiently without a hefty budget. This guide will take you step by step through starting your office space rental business using free AI resources, including suggested prompts and practical applications. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI. Understanding your target market is crucial. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to gather insights about local demand, competitors, and customer preferences. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Analyze the current office space rental market in your city, including typical pricing, competitor offerings, and trends in flexible office rentals." This will help you grasp market size, popular amenities, and pricing benchmarks. Additionally, tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public can help identify popular search terms related to office rentals in your area, guiding you on what customers are looking for. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI assistance. A solid business plan lays the foundation for your business success. Use ChatGPT to draft a comprehensive plan by feeding it prompts such as, "Create a detailed business plan for an office space rental company targeting startups and freelancers, including executive summary, market analysis, business model, marketing strategy, and financial projections." You can also ask ChatGPT to help with specific sections like financial forecasting or competitor analysis. This iterative AI assistance will give you a professional and organized business plan that you can refine as needed. Step 3. Define your office space offering with AI help. Determine what types of office spaces you will offer: private offices, co-working desks, meeting rooms, or virtual offices. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm service packages with the prompt. Suggest competitive office space rental packages that appeal to small businesses and freelancers, including pricing models and amenities. Consider asking AI for ideas on value-added services such as high-speed internet, 24/7 access, cleaning services, or community events to differentiate your offerings. Step 4. Choose and evaluate location options. Location is key in office rentals. Use AI-powered mapping tools like Google Maps combined with data sources, such as city demographic profiles, to evaluate potential locations. You can ask ChatGPT, "What factors should I consider when choosing a location for an office space rental business in city?" Provide a checklist. You might also use AI image recognition tools to analyze photos of potential properties for layout optimization or virtual staging, enhancing your marketing appeal later. Step 5. Create marketing materials and strategy with AI. Marketing your office space effectively attracts clients. Use AI to generate engaging content. ChatGPT can help write website copy, social media posts, and email campaigns. A sample prompt could be, "Write a persuasive marketing email targeting startups for a new flexible office space rental with modern amenities and flexible lease terms." For visual marketing, tools like Canva offer free AI-powered design suggestions for logos, flyers, and social media graphics that can match your brand style. Step 6. Build an online presence using AI tools. Having a professional online presence is essential. Use AI website builders such as Wix ADI or Zyro's AI website generator that guide you to create a polished site quickly. You can also use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly website content. Generate SEO-optimized text for an office rental homepage targeting keywords like flexible office space in city and affordable co-working. Integrate chatbots powered by free AI platforms like Tidio or Landbot to engage visitors on your site and answer common questions instantly. Step 7. Manage bookings and customer service with AI. Efficiently handling bookings and customer inquiries improves client satisfaction. Use free AI scheduling tools like Calendly or Microsoft Bookings to automate reservations and calendar management. Additionally, use AI chatbots or customer support assistants built with ChatGPT to respond to inquiries 24/7. A helpful prompt for chatbot setup is create a friendly chatbot script that answers questions about office rental availability, pricing, and amenities. Step 8. Set up financial tracking and reporting. Financial management is vital to monitor your cash flow and profitability. Use free AI-enabled accounting tools such as Wave Accounting, which offers automated invoicing and expense tracking. If you want to analyze financial data deeper, use ChatGPT to generate custom reports or forecasts. You could ask, analyze this monthly revenue and expense data and provide insights and recommendations for improving profitability. Step 9. Continuously improve based on customer feedback using AI. Collecting and analyzing customer feedback helps you refine your offerings. Use AI survey tools like Google Forms combined with sentiment analysis from free platforms such as MonkeyLearn to process reviews. Prompt ChatGPT with, summarize key themes from this customer feedback and suggest improvements for an office rental business. Step 10. Stay updated on industry trends using AI. The office rental market evolves, so staying informed is important. Use AI news aggregators like Feedly with AI summarization or ChatGPT to digest long articles quickly. Try asking, summarize recent trends and innovations in the office space rental industry. This helps you adapt and innovate, whether by adding hybrid work amenities or green building features. Conclusion. Starting an office space rental business using free AI tools is an accessible and efficient way to enter a growing market. AI assists you at every stage, from market research and business planning to marketing, customer service, and financial management. By leveraging these tools creatively and strategically, you can launch your business with minimal upfront costs while maintaining professionalism and agility. Remember to keep learning and adapting, using AI as a continual resource for insight and automation. With commitment and the right AI support, your office space rental venture can thrive in today's flexible workspace economy. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.